Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. No link. Attack.
Blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, so New Link there and from New Link Production. I don't know we do it, people. I don't know, so we give news in a different way and give things in a different format. I don't know how we say attack. Straight attack. Well, people, right about now, I'm going to talk about an incident that took place in St. Ann. And this is where a man who was cut down a couple of days ago, people, who is just 55 years old. Now, people are saying live long while some people are saying live short. You see me? So this man was 55 years old. And them say this man who goes by the nickname of, you know, people call him and know him as Welsh people. And this man was a popular British man in the UK. Meaning one of the top British man them in the UK as a Jamaican, big man in the British. Eventually, this man, they say, a couple years ago, something that happened where he got incarcerated in the United States, where he served 6 years in prison in the United States. Then, you know what I mean, him find him and he reach back to England and do a year. Then he decide to come back to Jamaica. He was originally from Linstead, St. Catherine, you understand? But in a money St. Ann, them saying go there and have a local shop and thing. When I run off like a business, help and run off one and bridging or something and thing. You know what I mean? You know them do them thing already. Well, people, them said this man was also a great friend of an artist. I don't know if I know him by the name of Little Hero, because this man artist, you know, is an artist who, you know what I mean, who have some big song people. You know what I mean? That song say, I'm on my bending knees, we need him, you know what I mean? Only for them big song that them man that did run off the place. That's look here. So this man was also like management in a certain ways for Little Hero and thing. In some ways, in some cases, you know what I mean? Some part, some connection there in them way there. Well, people, they said that this man, right, he received a call from a female. And this female said he would like some dub plates from the artist, that's Little Hero. The price that they negotiate for people was $100,000 Jamaican, right? So eventually, this female, right, like the man say, you should meet up with Little Hero and thing and them do that. Well, the woman said, no, I'm going to meet up with him instead and thing. So it's okay then, because I don't know I'm Little Hero that and Little Hero authorize them, say, yo, boom. So my end now people, him go there and, you know what I mean, meet up. By the time if you reach up to the woman, no woman not turn up people. A man that come up in a car people and fire several shots, hitting this man, kill him. You know what I mean? And in the end people, as we tell us the man are waiting, you know. If you say, if you get money for the man, for the dub plate and thing, that's a business them are dealing, you know what I mean? And in the end, them kill him and them gone. You know what I mean? So police don't know who do them, and know who them do them investigation, and them say the woman who is from England people, and she, right, she's originally from England, like she living in England, she's a yardie. She was at Jamaica at the time, and them say like 4 days, 5 days time, you know what I mean, she fly out and cut out of Jamaica. So now, look, a lot of little things are going, a lot of little talk and make a lot of little thing, but in the end people, you know what I mean, and what I think the police need to do, this lady, you know, who's from England, who, you know what I mean, so the business transaction with dub plate and everything, I think they need to do some check-up on her. Because England and England people, that means something that go on, maybe, you know, back then with Welsh and thing and with them people, and you don't know, you know, where the foolish are come from, but you can definitely say this thing was a hit thing, and them plan it and them deal with that way, because them know, say, them have to deal with that thing, because maybe them and the other people, the only way how to get to him, you know, are the business way. You know what I mean? Maybe if you come straight to him, certain way, you can't get him because him expect anything. But you know a business way, and him say, what? A woman a link me for a dub plate for my artist, and he link the artist, and the artist say, yeah man, you know, say you can't do it and thing. And then at the end now, he make the choice and him go do it and see them gone. So that's why I tell the people, boy, you don't know who to trust. Not trust no call you, but you say him not trust phone. Eh? You say, but you know song when him say him not trust phone, me not trust phone either people, because sometimes, yo man, you say, more me answer my phone, no people, me come support me no. I'm wait for you the person talk, you know. And enough time I see a number when I even know the people, hold the phone and I think twice. And that different from a fans them on WhatsApp on a daily basis, because we know the fans them number, even though we don't store the number, we know them. I see it, but me gotta tell these people, yo, you really have to be careful out there. See, and be careful of what you're doing at the life, in the past, because we are doing at the past, sometimes it turn out an auntie in the future. You know what I mean? When you feel the past gone and the people who maybe you do some things in the past, and if you say finish because maybe 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years run off, and you feel say, yo, you got to live a decent life now. And time when you decide say, no, me I got to relax now, me I got to build now, and things are come here, we are the real way now, the straightforward way. That's the time when those people, there's enemy, just come and just say, yo, I defeat them time off it, and them just knock you out and gone. You get me? So at the end now, we have to be careful. People out there have to be careful. Because see that if this man was definitely set up, you know what I mean? So right now, I tell us say, look at hero them, the artists, the whole camp, they God alone, because them think them God alone people, them feel it. You see it? The man them feel it right now, them can't believe. So them when they're gone, as me tell people, this man was a giant in England, was a top man in England, top yard man, just like what you hear about. Me not gonna say he might do drugs or anything like that. You know what I mean? No, he was a big Jamaican man in England, just like how you hear about Rai for them and them man they did there in England and thing. It was the same way. He was incarcerated in the United States. Me tell him do 6 years over there, then a year after in a 2018 he go to England and he decided to come back to Jamaica and thing. And see the people, the man gone. You know what I mean? So yo, and me I tell you, yo, people, walk good. Be careful, you know what I mean? Because you don't know what they are planning for you. You don't know, man, this is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack, straight attack people. You don't know enough love, enough respect people. You don't know, we have to say, keep it going, keep it flowing. You don't know, keep the link vibes going. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. No! Okay, and hit that notification bell icon so New Link drop a video, you will get them. Follow New Link on IG, New Link _ production official. Follow New Link on Facebook, New Link production. You don't know our IG, we show a lot of look video so you can see the family side and New Link and different things. So you don't know, follow him on IG. They know the thing of people. Peace, love, walk good. Turks and Caicos, Jamaica, big up, special big up, blessings, peace, I'm out, big up.
Awesome. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Like it's ready to make money. Yes, I am ready. So are you ready? Like it's ready to make. What do you say them? What do you say them? From you see me, I'm not so sweet. This one you see me, I'm not so sweet. This one you see me. No, sir. Pull up again. Pull up again. Almost right now. We are Jamaican. We set trend for the world. No. I ain't know where we go. Right now, them two party like this, they must say, oh, Jamaican people and poor all up on them party. I will say happiness to the world, no matter what we're doing. But we use them to go to school, man, no matter what party. No. All of you said it. Let's go again. People.
What them a go do you know? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New Link.